Red bell pepper sauce, low tyramine. Dr. John A. Allocca. April 30, 25. www.allocca.com. Endorsed by Chef Poochy. See recipe in the comment section. This recipe is intended for those who are allergic to tomatoes or require a low tyramine diet. Recipe. For medium to large organic red bell peppers. 1/4 cup organic extra virgin olive oil. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 1 tablespoon oregano. 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, optional. A small bunch of fresh basil leaves, chopped. Remove the stem, placenta, and seeds from the peppers. Cut them up so they will fit into a food processor. Puree the peppers. Add the pureed peppers and other ingredients to a 3-quart or larger glass casserole dish. Mix well and cover. Optionally, add sea salt. Cook in the microwave for 10 minutes. Alternatively, cook in a pot on the stove top at medium to low heat. This recipe makes 3 cups, 24 ounces, of sauce. Chef Poochy and Dr. John wish you health and happiness. Buon appetito! Visit www.allocca.com for more recipes and information on essential health. Unlock your physical and mental wellness potential.